this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Apple Pay on Meta Horizon and whether or not it is possible to do this. Some people might be curious if it is possible to use Apple Pay as a payment method to top up your Meta wallet, use it on your Oculus Quest 2, and so on. So you can do this by opening the Meta Quest app, and inside you will have plenty of options. In here, go into the settings, so tap on the menu, so these three lines at the bottom right, and then access these settings. Now you will be able to find your wallet, aka the payment methods that you have registered on your account. Inside of payment methods, you can see all of them here. Usually, the main ones available for any given region will be a card, so a credit or debit card, and you also have the option to add a PayPal account. But it's going to become very clear right away that there is no mention of Apple Wallet, Apple Pay, or something related to Apple's payment services. So as it stands today, can you add an Apple Pay account and use the cards registered in your wallet to issue this payment? Sadly, as it stands today, the only payment methods available in most regions are going to be a credit or debit card and a PayPal account. Besides these payment methods, it seems like there is no other options to add payment methods to your Meta Quest, your Meta application, or your Meta account. As it stands today, you have to choose between using a card or PayPal to manage your wallet. Apple Pay cannot be used. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that Apple Pay is not a valid and available payment method on the Meta Quest app, and any videos that claim that you are able to use Apple Pay are not true. Sadly, the truth is that it is not available, and unless they add it in the future, you will not be able to use it to issue payments here. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use Apple Pay on Meta Horizon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.